What's up, guys, and welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. We're back at Gen Racer and we're doing some more race car stuff. No Alex this week, so I'm on my own. He is in Daytona. Everybody say hi, Alex. So this week we are ripping out all the suspension and brakes, swapping it out with nice adjustable racy stuff. That's step one, so let's get started on that. Suspension and brakes are done. Why do they look like drift cars right now? So the dashboards have to get gutted of all the street car stuff like heat and air conditioning. So let's start working on that. I got 4 of them to do. I had to replace the tie rod in the previous 78 from the little clash that happened at Indy, but that's good to go. So now I've got 4 front bumpers, 4 rear bumpers. I gotta prep the rear bumpers, just tail hook, easy stuff. Front bumper, I gotta cut out the grill, put in a nice mesh, make sure that stuff doesn't get in the car's pretty face. So while Jeff is welding the cage, he's trusting me to drill holes in the hoods of all 4 cars and do the hood pins. I wouldn't trust me to do that. And we're done. Well, not done, but done for now. Back on the islands. I'm tired, I'm sore. I feel like I did 7,000 crunches and sit-ups and squats, and working on cars is tough. But we're gonna go home, go in the hot tub, relax, and sleep in my own bed. Oh, that's nice. That's the end of this video, but we drop a new video every Taco Tuesday. So hit that little subscribe button right there and smash that like button if you made it this far. And I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.